In today's video, there will be lots of cleaning motivation for you. My apartment is a mess, so I'll be tidying up my home today, but also I'll be sharing a mini haul from Shein. Today's video is sponsored by Shein, so shout out to Shein. Check them out, the link will be in the description. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. So in today's video, I am going to be cleaning my apartment. So this is going to be a cleaning motivation video, a clean with me. But before I get to cleaning, I wanted to do a quick unboxing. I got a package in from Shein. So I want to show y'all what I got and then we'll get to the cleaning. So the first three things I'm going to be showing y'all is Care Bear stuff. They have the cutest Care Bear stuff on the Shein website. If you love Care Bears, you should totally check it out because the stuff is adorable. So first off, it comes in this super cute Care Bear packaging. So I actually got two of these. They're little oven mitts. They are so nice because the inside is material and then the outside has like this rubbery coating on it so it won't damage the design and the material with the Care Bears on it. So cute. I got two of them, but I got one of these for my sister because whenever this line first came out, I immediately sent the website over to my sister. I was like, you've got to see what Shein has with the Care Bears on it. So yeah, I got two of these. Look at this, how cute it is. It's a hair towel. It is so cute. It's baby pink. It has multicolored stars, and then it's got the pink Care Bear, the little rainbow on its tummy. It is adorable. So yeah, this is like a microfiber hair wrap. This is going to be so fun to wear. It's actually a really nice size too. You can see it has some length to it. It's super soft. And how can you resist that little Care Bear? Next up, I got a new headband. I like to wear these when I'm doing like my skincare and mask and stuff, just to get my hair out of the way. But I love this one. It's black with white polka dots and it's got the bow on the front. It is too cute. Look at this. It is so cute and it's super soft too. Next up, I got a charger. So this one is a iPhone charger. Me and Alan have been sharing the same charger for a while now, and we're usually fighting over the charger, so I got us a extra charger. They actually have so many things on the Shein website. I used to think they only had like clothes and stuff, but they have a huge selection of so many different things and great prices too. I'm just gonna open it up quick, show you what it looks like. This one is super long and it's all white. These kind of chargers are my favorite because they can stretch across the room, especially like when I'm laying in bed. I like to have a really long charger, that way it'll reach my bed. Look how long that is, and that's doubled up. It's actually 6 foot long, or over 6 foot long, because the packaging says 6.6. Next up, I got this super cute water bottle. I see these water bottles all the time and I always want one just because I love the look of them. It's just like a plastic clear water bottle, but it's just so simple looking. Over here, it says full and then it has like times on it. And at the bottom it says refill to remind you throughout the day to drink more water. It's got a little rubber handle on it, which I love. Makes it easier to carry when we go on walks and stuff like that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Next up, call me crazy or don't, but I got another lint roller. I feel like when you have fur babies like mine that are constantly shedding, you cannot have enough lint rollers, so I got this one. It's one of those reusable ones which work great. Here's the little compartment on the back here. That's where you open it and take all the hair out. But yeah, we got another reusable lint roller. Next up, I'm so excited about this. It's a new phone case. They have the cutest phone cases on the Shein website. If you need a new phone case, get on there and check them out because they are super affordable and really cute, and they have all kinds of different designs and different looks, different colors. It's so cute, so simple. It's clear, it's rubbery, and it has baby pink hearts all over it. So I like this one because where it's see-through, you can see the color of my phone. It doesn't have to be hidden. I feel like it just gives a really clean look. So let's pop it on, see how she looks. I love it. Now I just have to add my pop socket on there. This is so cute. Yeah, like I said, if you need a new phone case, check the ones out on Shein because they are adorable. So yeah, that was my little Shein haul, and right now they are having their Black Friday sale. The links will be down below. Don't forget to check that out. I'll also have the date on when their Black Friday sale ends. Definitely take advantage of that because Shein already has amazing prices, but with the Black Friday sale going on, it's gonna be even better. All right, so let's get into this video now. I did a lot of cleaning in here today, so get ready for some cleaning motivation. Alright, so first off, I am just giving you a glimpse at how my apartment is looking. It's very cluttery and messy. There is stuff sitting all over, including empty boxes and packages I need to send off, and some I need to open. There's so much clutter out and about and lots of garbage sitting around in my kitchen. Even my dear kitchen countertop is cluttered. I swear I feel like this happened overnight, but it probably has been maybe a day or two since I did a good cleaning in here, so this is what I'm working with today. But I'm gonna get it all taken care of because it's driving me crazy, and I feel so much better when my home is nice and tidy. I can't stand having any clutter and stuff just sitting around. It gives me so much anxiety, and I was definitely feeling it today. So I got rid of all of the boxes and the garbage bags that needed to go out, and I'm starting off in my living room. I'm going to wipe my TV off and the top of my TV table as well, and I'm going to clean off the top of Grandpa's table too. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion. Then I decided to rearrange the couch, but just 2 pieces of it, and I found my favorite earrings under the couch when I was moving the ottoman. I was wondering where those were, so they were hiding under there. So I moved the ottoman to the other side of the couch, and then I moved the other piece back by the window, and now I'm going to vacuum the living room rug. 'Cause I'm right under the stars. Would you using one of my new Dossier perfumes today. This is the Powdery Coconut, and it's inspired by Tom Ford's Soleil Blanc. I love using my Dossier perfumes on myself, obviously, but they make a great room spray because they linger for days, they are clean, and they smell amazing. And also, right now Dossier is having their Black Friday sale, so if you've ever wanted to try out any of their perfumes or colognes, now is the perfect time to do that because of Black Friday. They have some great deals going on right now, which is really funny because their prices are always good, but this Black Friday deal is fabulous. So if you're interested in checking them out, I'll have them linked down below. So I moved on to the office area, and I'm lint rolling the couch because the girls love laying on this couch. They are constantly all over it, so I try to lint roll it at least once a day because they leave their little hairs everywhere. And then I'm going to be cleaning off the bookshelf too because I had a bunch of clutter and tools sitting around on it from the night before, and I'm going to vacuum this area as well. I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking So now I'm using my new Wet Vac in the entryway by the front door, and I'll also be using it behind the couch where the litter box is, and pretty much everywhere else that doesn't have a rug on it. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you on to my kitchen. The kitchen was such a mess, so I'm gonna clean all of this up now. I'm gonna unload the dishwasher first and get that out of the way so I can reload it and have the sink empty. I can't stand dishes sitting in the sink, but I let the dishes go sometimes because I hate dealing with the dishes, so I'm gonna take care of that now.
It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car.
And now I'm just getting everything off the countertop so I can wipe the countertops off, and after that I'll be cleaning out my sink, and then I'll be using my Wet Vac on the kitchen floor as well.
We don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave.
Moving on to my bathroom, I'm gonna clean out the sink first using an old toothbrush. I love keeping old toothbrushes around. Don't ever throw out your old toothbrushes because they are so useful, especially for stuff like this. So I'm gonna scrub the sink, and then I'm gonna clean the countertop in here, and then move on to my shower and my tub, which really needed to be cleaned the most out of everything because it's been a while since I cleaned the shower and the tub.
You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you.
So I'm using my regular mop on the shower walls because I can't reach them all the way to the top because I am short. And then I'm going to be scrubbing the tub with some cleaner and a sponge and wiping off all of my shower stuff and putting it all back in its place. I ended up moving one of the shower organizer things because I don't know why it started getting rusty. The other two were fine, but the one I had in the middle of the other two somehow started getting rusty, so I just took that down and threw it in the garbage.
That I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me?
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I hope it motivated you and inspired you to get up and get some cleaning done. I really needed to get this done in here today, and I'm so happy that I got up and did it because sometimes I can get lazy and let stuff go very easily, but thank God I had some energy today and got her done. Don't forget to check out the Black Friday deals that I mentioned. They will be in the description of this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment down below because as always, I would love to hear from you. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!